Hey, this is Sherman Crancer, president of the Crancer Group. Now, John, can you help us understand what other service that the Crancer Group provides that has been instrumental in making this whole engagement work?
Well, here's the one thing. So the sales side, there's so many moving pieces to follow-ups, prospecting, cold calling. And the thing that I love working with you guys in the Crancer Group is helping me with the pie submissions, the support, the follow-ups, the getting the funding so we can help start projects with these prospects sooner. And that's been a huge tool that I wanted to share too, is when we're able to get funds and they actually get approved through Microsoft, it gives them kind of that hook and that little carrot to say, oh, great, now we can start something. And it creates those opportunities for us to get in the doors quicker. And you guys have been huge as when it comes to the pie submissions and dealing with all the Microsoft channels and funnels and 1,000 different people. You're very patient, you're very good, and it saves me a ton of time. So that alone is just been awesome. So I can't thank you guys enough for that.
Thank you so much for watching this and checking this out. Email us at the contact information above, and we look forward to talking with you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.